Hey, good day, Ade Lamidi, digital marketer at justvideomarketing.com. Welcome to another video in our tutorial series, and today I am going to be showing you how to add widgets to your WordPress site, even if you are a beginner. So with that said, let's get started. So what we need to do is go to Appearances and then Widgets. So with that said, let's get started. So we've got all these widgets, and the first thing we're going to do is we have a lot of features on this global sidebar that we probably don't need. So I'm just going to get rid of all of those. So categories, I'm going to delete. Recent posts, I'm going to delete. And meta, I'm going to delete as well. So let's just see what we have. So it's nice to keep the search button there so that at least people can search on content if they come to the site. So that's good. We've got a clean sidebar. So what we can do is go back to, oops, I was going to click on dash widgets instead of that, but it doesn't matter. We can come down here and click on widgets. So what we can now do is I've got a few widgets here. I can integrate my, let's see, so I can integrate my subscribe button so that so I can add so that people can more or less connect to me on, well, they can connect to my YouTube channel. I'm actually going to be setting up a new channel just for this just video website, but that's not done now. So I think I'm going to use my old, well, my current channel where all these videos are listed. So let me see. So just a minute, I'm just trying to get some information. So you know what, let me just do, just type my channel name and see what that comes up with. Okay, so this is my channel, and you want this bit of the URL to add to the channel. So I'm going to take this off, and so that's the channel ID. Okay, let's just default to normal for now, so we can do that. Just do done. So that's one. We can also have one more thing I'm going to do before I put on the next one. If you stay till the end, I'm going to show you how to put a banner up here by just using a nifty piece of code. So do stay to the end. And the next thing we can do is maybe introduce a Facebook page, so people can connect that. So let's see. So I'm going to need a Facebook page URL. So if I go to, I did set up a Facebook page for this. So let me just see if I can get the details and add it to the site. So your pages, and it's this one here, just video marketing. So I'm just going to copy that and come here and just add that URL. I'm going to take this off because I don't think I need this. I think this might be the Facebook ID, so I'll just take that and do that. So I think that's it for now. Let me just save this and see what we get. So we got those two. Let's just go and see what it looks like. Okay. Okay, I've got 286 subscribers, so that's working. The Facebook one is not working, so I'm going to try and fix that. So I'm just going to stop this and try and fix that and come back. Okay, so we've got a symbol for the YouTube subscribers. I think the one for Facebook is not showing. I've done some troubleshooting because I don't have any likes on that page. So I'm just going to leave that for now. The next thing we're going to do is maybe try and put a banner just on the top here. So if we go to widgets, and what we can do is put a custom, actually we can just put an image. And then we can add an image. And I did upload an image earlier on, so it's this one. And what I can do is I can add a custom URL to this. So for now I'll just leave it as Google. So we can just add that and do save. We can put a title, custom content, summary, and then we just do save and done. Then if we go to, as you can see, we have the banner. We have YouTube subscribers and like us on Facebook. So I'm going to leave it there for this video. Hope you've enjoyed the tips on how to set up custom, how to set up widgets on the WordPress site, even if you're a beginner. Please do remember to subscribe to this channel so that I can update you with new videos as they come along, and please do remember to click on the notification button as well so that you can get a notification anytime we release more videos. And lastly, please do leave a comment if you've enjoyed this video post, and yes, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.